Hey, yo, the pizza here.
Faster! I gotta go fast.
雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，天地一片。
Pump it up. Oh, baby, you alright?
I got a bad back.
Oh, hold on. I got you. Grab my buggy.
All right, I'm good.
Now here.
I got it. I got it.
Grab the buggy.
All right, I got it.
Grab the buggy. You got a bad back?
All right, I'm good, thank you. I'm good. You such a nice lady.
No rules, no boundaries. He doesn't flinch at torture, human trafficking, or genocide. He's not loyal to a flag or a country.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Then I had a
No. Esta sí tú no la tienes. Esta es la colaboración de la Nike con Cartoon Network. Cartoon.
Lexi, get in there!
Oh, ching-ching-ching, here come the hot stepper. I'm the lyrical gangster. Excuse me, Mr. Officer.
कि अभी आवाज सुना है यहाँ पे इनको सीटी थोड़ा भी कहा जाता है
Stop! We're going. I'm here, hurry, I must go out now. Who are you? I'm fired.
That's Willie phone call. Tom Holland. Man, what the fuck? Man, I don't want to talk to your bitch. Luke, what the hell are you doing?
Nothing, man. Just doing some homework.
Hello. Yes, it is. How can we help you?
Can you suck on my child?
I'm sorry.
Microsoft?
Hello.
I need computer fix.
I must go south now to consult with the wizard Arrowman, the head of my order. Be careful, Frodo.
It is car. They cover it in penis. Look, penis, penis, penis. Penis everywhere.
It's time to fucking sing!
Slim.
There's nowhere to fucking pull over.
It's a green tree snake.
Well, it's gonna fucking die. Oh no.
Oh man, babe.
I'm not fucking stopping, mate. What? You gonna fucking flick it off?
Mango.
Wait, hold. The Fortnite Battle Pass.
The what?
Fortnite Battle Pass.
Can I get the Fortnite Battle Pass?
I'm sorry, honey?
Could you add the Fortnite Battle Pass to that?
Ma'am, we don't have a battle.
Who is he?
Hoy simplemente vengo a decirte feliz Navidad y próspero año nuevo.
Ahí traía.
Нормальная хуйня.
Вообще пиздатая.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Babies are just kind of like almost have souls, but not yet. So if a baby dies, it's like,
What?
yeah. Or if you have too many kids, you can just kill them because they're just like
What
animals.
the fuck are you talking about?
We should probably go get ourselves a brain. Use kids to commit your crimes.